Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2 keyless entry remote control Ford key fob replacement, specifically designed for a wide range of Ford vehicles from 1998 to 2016, including the F-150, F-250, and F-350. Not just limited to Ford, this key fob also fits models from Mazda, Mercury, and Lincoln, demonstrating its versatility and broad compatibility. Starting with the basics, this replacement key fob matches the original in both form and function, with a design that echoes the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, standards. This is crucial because it ensures that the key fob not only looks right but feels right in your hand. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, which is a big plus for anyone who uses their vehicle frequently. A standout feature of these key fobs is that they come pre-installed with batteries. This might seem like a small detail, but it means you can use them straight out of the box, which is a significant convenience. Additionally, each fob has been pre-tested to ensure functionality, which gives you a level of assurance that you're getting a reliable product. In terms of programming, while the primary website suggested for programming instructions, keyfobprogram.com, is currently unavailable, the product detail page offers alternatives, including various other sites and YouTube tutorials. This DIY approach to programming can be a great money saver, avoiding the costs associated with professional programming services. Now, let's talk about the broad range of vehicles these fobs cover. From trucks and SUVs to sedans and luxury vehicles, the compatibility list is extensive. Whether you have an older model like the Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.